Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen mask on an A320 aircraft. When cabin pressure changes, the masks will drop from the compartment above your seat. Immediately pull one mask firmly towards you to activate the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, ensuring a snug fit. Breathe normally and remain calm. Remember, oxygen will flow even if the bag does not inflate. Once you have pulled the mask down, secure it by placing the elastic band around your head. Make sure the mask fits snugly over your nose and mouth to prevent air leakage. Breathe normally and deeply. Even if the bag does not appear to inflate, oxygen is flowing. Always secure your own mask before assisting others, especially children or those needing help. It is crucial to secure your own oxygen mask first, even if you are a parent or guardian. Once your mask is on and you are breathing comfortably, then you can assist others. Help children or passengers who may be struggling. Guide them to pull the mask down, place it over their nose and mouth, and adjust the elastic band for a secure fit. Remember, the oxygen flow begins the moment you pull the mask towards you. Do not worry if the bag does not inflate. Oxygen is still being supplied. Keep the mask on until instructed by the crew to remove it. Your safety is paramount. Also, for a fresh ride, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Stay safe and enjoy your flight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.